Hello, my name is Elisabeth, and today I will be presenting the work The Trade-off Behaviors Between Virtual and Physical Activities During COVID-19 Pandemic Period. How has COVID-19 changed our behaviors? This is the main question we will be addressing in this presentation. We first of all designed a survey asking our participants about their habits before and during the pandemic period. We collected 781 responses from different countries. The majority of our respondents are from Italy, Sweden, and India. The data we collected are from April and May 2020, and we analyzed them mainly with regression analysis. Let's now have a look at some of the results we found. In terms of commuting trips, we see that our participants had a reduction of -74%, while for leisure trips, the reduction is even more dramatic, -84%. But who had the larger reduction? Well, from the regression analysis, we can see that women have a larger reduction for grocery shopping trips compared to men, while being a public transport user is correlated with a higher reduction for commuting trips. Now let's see how the pandemic impacted internet usage. So for internet usage, we can see that our participants had an increment on average of +75%. And who had the largest increment? Well, from the regression analysis, we see that men have a larger increment in online work activities compared to women. And being highly educated is correlated with a higher increment of online shopping activity. Moreover, we asked our participants how they feel in engaging into physical activities, such as visiting stores or going to the workplace during pandemic. And we saw that the perceived safety plays a very important role in determining how much increment a person has in internet usage. Now, will we keep those changes even after the pandemic period is over? Well, there is no easy answer to this question. It depends. So for online work activities, we can see that being in a household with children is correlated with a higher likelihood of keeping those habits, while being a woman is correlated with a smaller likelihood of keeping online work habits. On the other hand, being a woman is correlated with a higher likelihood of keeping online shopping behavior. Finally, we found that people that experienced a more drastic change in the number of trips, for example, people experiencing a very strict lockdown, reported that they are not likely of keeping the changes in all the different activities. Now, we had answers from different countries, and it's very interesting comparing them, especially since they have different lockdown strategy in place. So here we will have a look at a comparison between Sweden and Italy. From our analysis, we see that Swedish respondents appear to be less worried compared to Italian respondents. On the other hand, Italian respondents had experienced a larger change in their habits. Finally, from our study, it looks like Swedish respondents were more used to digital alternatives even before the pandemic period started compared to the Italian counterparts. Now, some takeaways. We saw from this study that the number of trips decreased while there was an increment in internet usage and engagement in digital alternatives. Moreover, the behavioral change and its long-term adoption depend more on social demographics than on policies in place. Thank you very much, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me on the email below.